Let's see four stocks for tomorrow's session, that is on 5th of June 2020. The first stock we have in the list is Lupin India. If you see the daily chart of the stock, you can clearly see that the stock is currently consolidating in just around its daily resistance level. Talking about today's session, it made a sizable bullish candle with more than average volume. If I access the stock in weekly chart, you can see that, rather monthly chart, you can see that the stock is also trading around its monthly as well as weekly resistance. All these factors makes Lupin a possible candidate to break out from its resistance level. So look to buy Lupin in tomorrow's session. Stock we have in the list is Havells India Limited. Just like Lupin, Havells is also currently trading near about its daily resistance level. If I talk about the overall movement in the stock is currently making up moves. If you look at the candles, rather bullish candles, you can see that for each and every bullish candles, the volumes are significantly higher as compared to bearish candle, which makes that the overall sentiment in the stock is currently bullish. So in tomorrow's session, I expect the stock to break out from the high which made by it in today's session, which is 570. So look to buy Havells India in tomorrow's session. Third stock for tomorrow's session is Asian Paints. Unlike our two previous stocks, Lupin and Havells, Asian Paints is currently looking more bearish than bullish, indicated by strong bearish waves in daily chart. Talking about today's session, the stock made extremely sizable bearish candle and the volumes were significantly higher as compared to volumes on bullish days. If I talk about the levels, currently stock is trading just above its daily support level. The daily support is placed at around 1595 and the current market price at the end of the today's session is 1627. So in tomorrow's session we can easily capture 20 points. So look to sell Asian Paints in tomorrow's session. Fourth and final stock for tomorrow's session is Vedanta Limited. In daily chart, Vedanta Limited is slowly and steadily making up moves, indicated by strong bullish candle sandwiched by minimal bearish candles. If I talk about today's session, the stock made extremely sizable candle, a bullish candle rather, with a with small wick sticking out in the upper direction, and the volumes are higher than average day volumes, which means that there were a lot of buying going on in the stock even at the higher level. If I shift your focus to right of rather left of my screen, you can see that there is a gap which is just above the today's closing price. The today's closing price is 105 and the gap is 113. So which means we can easily capture 5 points on the upside in Vedanta in tomorrow's session. If you want to know exact level in all these four underlying stocks, you can join my Telegram channel. I will leave the link in the description box. Thank you for watching.